Swedish PM's use of ChatGPT in policy work sparks controversy. The Swedish Prime Minister, Ulf Kristersson, has stirred up significant controversy by admitting that he frequently utilizes artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT and LeChat to seek alternative perspectives on political issues. This revelation came during an interview with the business publication Dagens Industri, where Kristersson, who heads Sweden's center-right coalition government, explained that he turns to AI to explore different viewpoints and evaluate international policy strategies. He stated, "If for nothing else than for a second opinion, what have others done, and should we think the complete opposite?" However, this admission has sparked concern among academics and media commentators. Simone Fischer-Hubner, a cybersecurity expert from Karlstad University, cautioned in remarks to Aftonbladet that one must exercise extreme caution when using AI tools, particularly because they are not designed to handle sensitive or classified information. The editorial team at Aftonbladet went so far as to accuse Kristersson of succumbing to what they termed AI psychosis, criticizing his reliance on tools that are predominantly governed by foreign technology companies. In response to the backlash, Kristersson's spokesperson, Tom Samuelsson, sought to clarify that no confidential government data is shared with these AI platforms, stating, "It is used more as a ballpark." Despite this reassurance, worries continue to linger. Virginia Dignam, a professor specializing in responsible AI at Umeå University, expressed her concerns in an interview with Dagens Nyheter, saying, "We didn't vote for ChatGPT. The more he relies on AI for simple things, the bigger the risk of overconfidence. It is a slippery slope." Critics argue that even the use of AI for non-sensitive matters by high-ranking officials can create dangerous precedents, especially if public policy decisions start to mirror the biases or limitations inherent in commercially trained AI models. This ongoing debate underscores the increasing global scrutiny regarding how elected leaders interact with AI technologies and the ethical boundaries that must be established to maintain democratic accountability. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we ready to trust AI in the hands of our leaders? What do you think about the implications of using AI in political decision-making? Share your thoughts in the comments. Sweden's PM admits using AI for decision-making. The truth about politicians and AI. In a groundbreaking revelation that signals the growing influence of artificial intelligence in global leadership, Sweden's Prime Minister has become the first world leader to openly acknowledge using AI in his decision-making process. But here's where it gets interesting. Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson has taken a remarkably transparent approach, explaining how he leverages AI technology as a virtual sounding board for his leadership responsibilities. "I regularly consult AI for alternative perspectives," he revealed, describing how he uses it to explore different angles and challenge his thinking with questions like, "What approaches have others taken?" and "What would an opposing viewpoint look like?" However, here's the crucial detail many might overlook. Kristersson maintains strict boundaries with his AI usage. He explicitly avoids uploading any sensitive government documents, political investigations, or official decisions to these systems. Instead, he compares his approach to how medical professionals utilize AI, as a supplementary tool for gaining broader insights, not as a primary decision-maker. This careful balance between innovation and caution stands in stark contrast to more extreme experiments in AI-powered governance. Take, for instance, the fascinating case of Victor Miller, a 42-year-old librarian who ran for mayor of Cheyenne, Wyoming, with an unprecedented campaign promise: to delegate all major mayoral decisions to an AI system. The voters' response? A resounding rejection, with Miller securing only 327 votes out of 11,036 cast. The logic. How ChatGPT aids the Swedish Prime Minister. AI's ripple effect on crypto in 2025. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence not only assists in daily tasks, but also plays a pivotal role in shaping government decisions. This is becoming a reality, as highlighted by a recent tweet from Greg Brockman, the president of OpenAI, on August 3, 2025. He revealed that ChatGPT is being employed to support the Swedish Prime Minister, marking a significant step in the integration of AI into governmental functions. This development is not just a technological advancement, It signals a broader trend where AI tools are enhancing decision-making processes at the highest levels of governance. The implications of this integration could be profound, potentially influencing both stock and cryptocurrency markets, especially in sectors related to AI. As AI technologies like ChatGPT become more prevalent in official roles, it's crucial for traders to pay attention to the positive sentiment this generates for cryptocurrencies focused on AI. For example, tokens such as FET from Fetch AI and AGIX from SingularityNet often experience a surge in trading volume during favorable AI news cycles. Historical market analyses from various blockchain trackers indicate that similar announcements have previously resulted in short-term price increases of 5 to 15% for AI tokens within just 24 hours. Given that this announcement involves a national leader, it could significantly heighten institutional interest, leading to increased investments in crypto projects that utilize AI for decentralized applications. Traders might want to consider entering positions around current support levels for FET, which has shown a tendency to rebound from 0.8 cents during periods of positive AI sentiment, as evidenced by data from major exchanges like Binance. From a trading perspective, this development is closely linked to movements in the stock market, particularly for major AI companies. Take NVIDIA, for instance, a key player in AI hardware, which often sees its stock price fluctuate in response to news about AI adoption. Recent trading sessions have shown NVIDIA shares hovering around $120, with trading volumes exceeding 300 million shares on days when AI-related headlines emerge. According to stock exchange data, crypto traders can take advantage of cross-market opportunities by monitoring Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, trading pairs with AI tokens. For example, the FET BTC pair has demonstrated a 10% increase in trading activity during similar events. Based on on-chain metrics from platforms like CoinMarketCap, resistance levels for AGIX are currently around 0.50 cents, which could present breakout opportunities if trading volume spikes following the announcement. For those looking to capitalize on trading opportunities, it's essential to focus on on-chain indicators such as transaction volumes and the activity of large holders, whales, in AI cryptocurrencies. Data from Blockchain Explorer shows that the number of AI token holders increased by 8% in the last quarter, following the integration of enterprise AI solutions, indicating sustained momentum in this sector. A well-rounded trading strategy might involve taking long positions in ETH-based AI tokens if market sentiment turns favorable, with stop-loss orders set at 5% below the entry point to protect against broader market volatility. Additionally, institutional investment trends, as revealed in financial filings, indicate that hedge funds are increasingly allocating resources to AI-themed assets, which could potentially drive Bitcoin above $60,000 if it aligns with stock market rallies in the technology sector. The broader market implications of these developments could include potential regulatory changes that favor AI innovation, which would benefit decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms that are closely linked with AI technologies. Traders should keep an eye on trading volumes in pairs like BTC, USD, and ETH, as AI news has historically influenced daily price changes by 2 to 3%. Recent trading sessions have seen Ethereum's trading volume reach $15 billion daily, according to exchange reports, providing ample liquidity for swift trades. The collaboration with the Swedish Prime Minister exemplifies the maturation of AI, likely fostering optimism that extends to stock indices such as the Nasdaq, where AI stocks account for over 20% of the total weighting. In conclusion, this news offers actionable insights for traders. Keep an eye on AI token support and 40 cents for AGIX, resistance at $1 for FET, and correlate these movements with NVIDIA's price action around $125 for optimal entry points. By integrating these elements, investors can navigate the evolving landscape of AI-driven markets with informed precision.